How to enable push notifications on Android. Hey everyone, in today's video, we are going to learn how to do so on Android so that you never miss messages, updates, or alerts from your favorite applications. So let's just dive right into the video and get started. First of all, unlock your phone and go to the settings of your device. And once we head over to settings, we can look out for the notifications option and tap on it. On some phones, it may say apps and notifications. You can look out for that option and tap on it. After that, here we'll be finding different options. So what we need to do is we can select up the notification pop-up style first, and there are different other notifications. So go ahead and look out for the option called advanced settings and tap on it. And here we have this option for notifications. Tap on show notifications and go ahead and look out for the notifications here. If you want to enable notifications for specific applications only, what you need to do is look out for the option called recently sent and tap on more. And here you'll be finding all of your applications here that you can enable it. So all we gotta do is turn on the toggle. So if you want to turn on the toggle from, let's say, WhatsApp here, you can just go and turn on the toggle right beside it and it should be turned on. You can allow notifications. You can select the applications like WhatsApp, Facebook, or Instagram and allow the notifications here. If you still do not get notifications, ensure that your device is not on do not disturb mode. So ensure that it's not muted, or just go over and turn off the DND and adjust the exceptions here. Also check your internet connection because that may be the reason why you are not getting any kind of messages. And also you can restart your phone if changes do not apply. And keep the applications very updated from the Google Play Store. And that's how we enable push notifications on Android so that you'll never miss any important alerts again. So if this video helped you out, do not forget to like, share, subscribe for more tutorials.